Hey, what's up, everybody? Triple B here with you. You guys know what? It is middle of the month for February 2020, and we have the RC, the Rookie Card Explosion Box, Volume 14 by Filmington. Man, this thing just showed up today, which is the 15th of February. I'll be uploading this video a day later after I rip it. I didn't get home till a little later this evening. If you guys saw, I was hanging out with Scotty Aranya from Aranya Boys, hanging out with him, doing a live chat. So didn't get home till a little bit later. So we're going to rip into this, see what kind of goodies we can find. As always, Filmington, can't wait to get into this. Put out an awesome product. So here we go. Rookie Card Explosion Box, Volume 14. There is our little note and our packs. So we have a bunch of different packs. And we have 85 Don Russ, 90 Leaf Series 2, 2004 Topps, 13 Topps Update, 18 Chrome, which I believe is the only retail pack this month. We have Heritage High Number, Heritage Minor League, Bowman's Best, very nice, Series 2 from 19, Update from 19, and 2020 Series 1. As always, Phil hooks us up with an awesome sheet to go by, which there is our pack lineup. There is all of the important details for Filmington's social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. Check him out. Awesome product. And he also gives you the list of rookies you're looking for. So without further ado, let's rip into this, see what we can get. And we're going to start with 1985 Leaf. This is from a baseball card exchange box. So we're looking for Roger Clemens, Kirby Puckett, and Dwight Gooden. Good old Doc Gooden. So let's see what we can find. Let's go. Let's see if we can find some of them big rookies. So we have our Lou Gehrig Diamond Kings puzzle piece. We have Jesse Orosco Diamond Kings. Daryl Evans. Gary Gaetti, I think. There is what the Lou Gehrig puzzle looks like completed. That dude. Willie McGee. Jeff Cowley. David Palmer. Mickey Rivers. Doug Flynn. Doug Sisk. And Bill Gilkerson. Or Gilkerson. So nothing out of that. Next pack, 1990 Leaf Series 2. We are looking for the Big Hurt Frank Thomas and one of the newest members to the Baseball Hall of Fame, Mr. Larry Walker. Man, these things are sealed up good. Holy cow. I don't know why Omnio has help. Get them to rip the packs open beforehand for them. There we go. So we have Gerald Clark, Eric Plunk, Tom Pagnazzi, John, that dude, Stan Belinda, Mike Filder, Terry Mulholland, Mark Davis, Checklist, Keith Miller, Lance McCullers, Andres Galarraga, so that's nice, Carlos Baerga, Lenny Harris, and Barry Jones. And then our puzzle piece. So, nothing big in that pack. Alright, up next, 2004 Topps Series 1. We are looking for base cards and parallels of Yadier Molina and Zach Greinke. So we have Brad Fulmer, Manny Ramirez, that dude, Darren Erstad, Sporting News, Jody Garrett. We had a Carlos Zambrano gold, number to 2004. That dude. Jason LaRue, Todd Helton, Phillies future stars Ryan Matson and Ramirez, and available March MLB Sports Clicks. Little advertisement, so nothing big in that one. Up next, 2013 Topps Update. Everybody knows what we're looking for in these. Base and parallels of Yelich, Arenado, Rendon, Garrett Cole, and Didi Gregorius. So there's Eric Bedard, former Oriole. Jason Giambi. Ryan Kalish. Nice Mike Trout, All-Star. We got a mini of Will Myers, rookie from the Rays. That's pretty cool. We have Carlos Martinez, AJ Pollock, Brian Wilson, Paul Goldschmidt, and Matt Harvey. So none of the big guys in that one. And what's next? 18 Topps Chrome. Looking for base and refractors of Acuna, Torres, Ohtani, Devers, Ozzie Albies, Walker Buehler, Jack Flaherty, Rhys Hoskins, as well as autos of all those guys. So this is a retail pack. I believe these came out of blasters. So Brandon Crawford, Chris Archer, Greg Bird, and Evan Longoria. Nothing there. Up next, 18 Heritage High Number. We are looking for base cards of Acuna, Soto, Torres, Ohtani, Meadows, as well as action variations and autographs. So Miguel Rojas, Brian Johnson, Gift Nagope, that dude. We got, oh nice, California Dream or Dealin' Now and Then, Shohei Ohtani. Nice insert there. So we did at least get an Ohtani insert. Shane Green. We have a J.D. Davis rookie, Seth Lugo, and Matt Albers. So got the Ohtani rookie insert, so very cool. All right, 18 Heritage Minor Leagues. We're looking for Yordan, Tatis, Vlad Jr., looks like Bo Bichette, Royce Lewis, Drew Waters, Alex Kirilloff, short prints of Adele, Ahira, Lazardo, Riley, McKay, as well as autos of some of those guys. So we have saves leaders, Drew Ellis, Nick Allen. Oh, look at that. That's a little expired, but make our pro debut with the Flying Squirrels. Franklin Killamone. Nice. Brendan Rodgers. Was he on that list? I don't think he was. Nope. Dalton Varsho and Bo Burrows. Alright, Bowman's Best is next. I'm actually going to switch up the pack lineups on these a little bit. Do them in the order I want to open them. So we're going to do 2020 Series 1. Everybody knows what we are looking for in this. All the base rookies and the parallels. This is one of the hot products just because it's the newest product. So Ryan Braun, Alberto, Conforto, Anthony Rizzo, Trent Thornton, Max Muncy, Andres Munoz, Master and Apprentice, Christian Yelich, that dude, Johnny Cueto, Cleveland Indians, Alberto Alizé, and Yurli Gurriel. So did I miss something in there? Or did we just have a base pack? We must have just had a base pack. Interesting. Just checking to make sure I didn't miss a short print. Oh, looks like we had just a straight base pack in that one. That's kind of weird. No inserts or nothing. So, nothing there. 19 Topps update. In this, we are looking for base and parallels of Vlad Jr., Keston Hiura, Austin Riley, Nick Senzel, Carter Kieboom, and Arias. So we have Jose Iglesias, John Ryan Murphy, Yasmani Grandal, Nick Ramirez. There's the combos for the Nets. Jared Walsh, Clayton Kershaw. We did get a Randy Johnson, 150 years of professional baseball. Just the base insert. Billy Hamilton, Whit Merrifield. There's a Tatis Jr. rookie debut. There's the Vlad Guerrero home run derby. And a Brendan Rodgers rookie debut. Debut. It's not bad. We got a bunch of rookie debuts. All right. 19 Topps Series 2. Looking for the short print of Vlad Jr. as well as the base and parallels of Alonso, Tatis, and Eloy. So we have Hunter Renfroe, Framber Valdez, Isaiah Kiner-Falefa, the Mets, up high, down low, the Milwaukee Menaces. We got a gold Trevor Story, number to 2019. Jason Hayward, Jacoby Ellsbury, Nate Jones, Nick Williams, Andrew Benintendi, Kenta Maeda, and Greg Bird. So nothing big in that one. All right. Last but not least, 19 Bowman's Best. Looking for base cards and refractors of Tatis, Guerrero, Alonso, Eloy, Keston, Austin Riley, Michael Kopech, Nick Senzel, Carter Kieboom. Also looking for prospect base cards and refractors of Franco, Robert, Adele, Adley Rushman, Bo Bichette. And then we're looking for autos of a bunch of those guys as well. So we have, oh, nice. There is the Pete Alonso. Rowdy Tellez. Nice. There's the Vladimir Guerrero Jr. Nice. We got the Wander Franco Future Foundations die cut. And a John Means refractor from the Orioles. So not a bad little pack there to round us out. We got the Vlad base rookie. We got the Pete Alonso base rookie. And the Wander Franco Future Foundations die cut. So pretty cool. I will take that. So not a bad break at all. The Bowman's Best pack pulling it out there in the end. Hooking us up with some great cards in that pack all in a row. We also hit some of the rookie debuts out of 19 update, and as well as the Vlad home run challenge or home run derby. And we also hit the Ohtani now and then rookie insert from 18 Heritage high number. So there you guys have it. Rookie card explosion box, volume 14, February 2020. As always, Filmington putting out a fantastic product. So can't thank you guys enough for your support. As always, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll be seeing you soon, guys. Later.